Hi, AI is taking over, but the real question is, are you ready for it? Like in 2026, we cannot start randomly choosing any languages. Like इस AI era में हम लोग कोई भी random language उठा के उसको नहीं सीखना चाहिए. That would be a bad practice. We should be aware of the languages we should learn in this AI era and which are future proof and why it is. That I'm going to tell you in this video. The top 5 coding languages according to Rohan. Hi everyone, my name is Rohan Ramprasad and you are watching Rohan Develops, where I just code. So at number 5 I have kept JavaScript. Why JavaScript? Because web का king अगर किसी को कहा जाए तो वो JavaScript है. Front end हो या back end, that is Node.js. And AI tools को dashboard, SaaS apps सब web पे ही है. So JavaScript is a must language, which that's why I have kept it in the 5th number. अगर तुम्हें projects बनाना है, JS is must. Simple words में अगर कहूँ, if you want to build things, people can learn JavaScript. 4th language, C++. Like, why C++? Bro, C++ is the fastest language and it has the system level programming. Like, you can directly interact with the operating system. Directly system के अंदर तुम code कर सकते हो. That's the easiest and machine learning language के सबसे closest यही है. You cannot ignore it. Competitive level programming, DSA के लिए best है. If you are preparing for GATE exam and all, C language is important and C++ is just an advanced version of it, like the OOPS concept are included in it. So in short line, if you want to say, if you want problem solving skills in a stronger manner, go for C++. 3rd number I have kept is for Java. क्यों Java? Enterprise level applications हम लोग बना सकते हैं. Android development जाना है, then Java is the most preferred choice for every developer and the companies also. Large scale systems हम लोग बना सकते हैं. Companies still trust Java because वो strong है, stable है and it is very scalable. Scalability में Java का कोई मुकाबला नहीं है. Short line, if you want a stable career in big tech, go for Java. Java is good. Second language is my favorite and you guessed it right, it is Python. Python is the most easiest language developed by Guido von Rossum and that's just amazing. Like my first language was Python. And why Python? Bro, come on. In this AI era, Python is a must. Like AI, ML, data science, ये तीनों का backbone है AI. Python. Easy to learn है. Use libraries like PyTorch, TensorFlow. इसमें libraries inbuilt रहते हैं. आधे चीज़ तो abstraction में गायब हो जाते हैं. Means not good for logic building, but if you are targeting just for internships in this AI era and targeting placements, go for Python. Short line, if AI is your goal, Python is your weapon. And the first language which you all must be waiting about is Golang or Rust. Why Golang or Rust? According to me, Go is very much future-proof oriented language. Future-oriented choice है. Rust also same thing. High performance है plus modern language है. Used in backend systems, cloud, AI infra. By the way, I am also learning cloud computing AWS thing. And companies like Google, which have developed this Go language, prefer Go language only. Like they try to put themselves in other languages also, but Go language is their favorite. Like when you go for placements or interview in Google, they will ask you like, do you know Go language? And you cannot say no. Short line, if you want to stay ahead of the curve, learn Go or Rust. Conclusion, language matter करती है, but skills matter most. So I would suggest go for a language which builds your logic building, the skill oriented things. Like you can just go for any other language if you do have a strong hold over a particular language. Like तुम्हें अगर C या Java language बहुत अच्छे से आती है, you have master or expertise in that, you can easily switch into different languages. Other languages are just built on such languages. Like C language is the mother of all language. Every language has developed from C language only. It is the basic building block. So, and this is how my preferred choice on this coding language will be. And if you are looking for more such contents, please hit a like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.